So, Namaskar. I am Kanti Patel from Anand University, Anand. My topic is short-term climatic fluctuation in Gujarat. I use the word short-term climatic fluctuation. If we use the data less than 30 years, let us take the for 2 years, 5 years, 10 years.
Kanti, please, you have 5 minutes, so you speak on that only.
To study the persistence of monthly mean minimum temperature in the month of December, January, sometimes we get the winter is warming. So these are the months which can tell us about how winter is warming. To compare the monthly mean maximum temperature of the month of April, May 2001 to 2009 with normal different location of state. These are the objective for temperature. Similarly for rainfall, to find out the short-term variation in rainfall at various locations of Gujarat state, to study the variability in monthly total rainfall at different locations of state, to compare the rainfall of the year 2000 with normal and last 5 decades. So in this, I have collected the data ranging from 1960 to 2009 of various places of Gujarat state. So this data was classified into different groups, monthly, yearly and season-wise. And this data were compared with other decades and what is the present situation. The data of Anand station tell us that the last decade, this 2000 to 2009, the maximum temperature, minimum temperature, particularly January in the December, the mean temperature is increasing as compared to rest of the decade. Means from 2000 to 2009, there may be higher or a low, but in an average, the minimum temperature is increasing. So these are the yearly data. These are the data of other stations. This is about the maximum temperature. Maximum temperature is also increasing in the month of April as compared to rest of the decade. These are the same trend was also observed in rest of the station of the Gujarat state. So we have collected the data of many stations. Here the rainfall. So the rainfall in the last decade is increasing as compared to the past decade. The yearly rainfall is visible, so there was amplitudinal variation. In some of the years the rainfall is decreasing, some of the years the rainfall is increasing. So there is amplitude oscillation in rainfall. These are the data of other stations. I have tested band test and it was found that the minimum temperature of the month of winter minimum temperature is increasing and it was found significant. And during the month of April, the maximum temperature also increased at 1% level. So these are the tests. This table indicates that I have compared the data from 2005 to 2009 with the normal, and it was found that the 2009 was comparatively warmer than rest of the year and with the normal also. So this is about the minimum temperature. So minimum temperature also found slightly higher than its normal value. These are the decade-wise mean maximum temperature. Earlier was the minimum temperature, this is the maximum. Maximum temperature during the month of April is comparatively increasing. This sort of data were also collected from rest of the station, but due to time limit I am sending for Anand station. So this table tells us that difference of May and April. During those months, the monthly mean maximum temperature of the month of May was found 1.5 degrees Celsius higher than the month of April. That year particularly received the confidence rainfall more than normal. Means we can say that if the later part of the summer it remained hot, with accompanied with the moisture, that year continually give the higher rainfall as compared to normal.